right, my friends. This is where we're at on a Saturday morning, Angela City. Hey, I want to thank Single at 40, Nick and Glen, for giving me this new camera, Action 4. It's one of the nicest things anybody's ever done for me. So this is my first video with it. I'm going to learn how to edit. My downstairs neighbor, he helped me get it going. He helped me download the software. And next thing, I'm going to try to learn how to edit. I'm not good at that. It takes me out of my comfort zone. But the only way you're going to grow in life is to come out of your comfort zone. So it's been long enough that I've been making movies with no edits. Let's see what we can see for the next 10 minutes. All right, brand new camera. See if I can figure out how to use it over the next couple weeks. There used to be hundreds of, at least 100 Filipinos playing basketball here every Saturday morning. So they got it all tore up down here in the park. You can't play basketball, so I'm sure there's some upset Filipinos. But my understanding is they're just trying to improve the park. Walk this way to see what we can see. What's up? Hey.
How are you?
Shout out.
Shout out to my mom.
What's her name?
I'm Glen Sandagon.
All right. Friendly Filipinos. I think they call this First Street, but I'm sure it's called a couple different names. I always heard it called by First Street, but who knows? We're gonna walk by the park, cut down MacArthur Highway. We're gonna go boxing practice. There's a little college there. Pretty big college if you want to know the truth. That's what the inside of a jeepney looks like if you've never been in one. Hello! I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna walk around this traffic, but I'll figure it out. Just bear with me. Hopefully I don't get run over. We better go while the going's good. Wish me luck. now this is made of stone. It's pretty cool. We're not that far from Walking Street. We're going to walk right by it. Maybe just bring back some memories if you haven't been here for a while. Probably not the best choice in crossing here. That's my fault. That's my fault. I should have found a better place to cross. P&P checkpoint. This street runs parallel with Walking Street. This is a new place. Looks pretty nice. Pool tables. Hey, shout out, shout out.
Shout out. Nico, shout out.
Thank you, brother. That's Walking Street up that way. Hey, brother!
Yes, brother. Hey.
All right, here's the McDonald's right next to Walking Street. MacArthur Highway. Jolly be across the road. little bit loud out here. Hey. All right, grilled chicken, Manook. All right, my friends, I'll probably cut the video off. I'm almost boxing. Hey, what's up? Yeah, this is part of the life here in the Philippines, unfortunately. Anyway, thank you for watching. God bless you.